Has he got a neck? Has he got a neck? Has he got a neck? Has he got a neck?
So she obviously auditioned for dance last year in her first year, and she didn't go on to any teams. She was like, yeah, but I obviously know second year.
It's got a neck. It's got a neck.
It's got a neck.
It's got a neck.
It's got a neck. It's got a neck. It looks less creepy as well.
Yay.
Like it lies.
Give him a kiss.
Yeah. Really.
Thanks for that.
So much better.
That's so much better.
Pretty.
Still got a bit of a fat neck. And he's thinner there, isn't he? He's not like...
The last one was deformed.
That's a bit chubby. Here at the Varsity launch. It's pretty packed. I'm just photoing stuff. This is where my film is first shown. Exciting, eh?
It's only 8 Wednesdays to Varsity now, so spread the word, tell everyone, you know, it's time to get the, you know, game on. Let's do this.
Varsity video launch done. Went pretty alright. Good reactions. Better reactions to the outtakes. People want to see their face more, I think, is more the thing. So the first person style may not be such a good idea. Glad that project's over with. Probably going to be posting a bit more now. I hope that's the plan, because that took up quite a large part of my time. Also, now that we've got the final major, I can focus on the final major a bit more. Now on to Thursday, if I have anything interesting on Thursday, if not Friday, if not Saturday, if not Sunday, if not done, I don't know. Okay, so this evening is a disco in the basement, which is more like, you can probably hear it, it's that sort of music. But it's decked out really nice today.
Collecting ingredients, preparation is everything. Don't you pop rolling like chickens.
That was disco in the basement. That's all done. That was Saturday. Yeah, I'm off work now, so I'm gonna get home. I'm gonna eat a chocolate toasty or something, and then I'm gonna sleep. And unless something happens tomorrow, this will be the end. VPSI campaign. I'm getting things together. I've photoshopped a load of things, so I may not win it, but I'm gonna have a good time losing.